So yes peeps, I'm back in the kitchen again. So tonight I'm cooking some curry chicken, which I've already seasoned up the chicken already. I've already put some salt, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and the curry, some hot pepper, garlic, scallion, and some thyme. And some pimento seed. And I'm doing this with some gungo rice. Yes guys, so you see it, gungo there I go and cook. Yeah man, real Jamaican cooking, yeah. So guys, now we're gonna go ahead and burn our curry. So we're burning our curry. We're burning our curry. Then we're gonna add our chicken. Here's the chicken guys. Well seasoned to the bone. Yeah. So yeah man, we make that go and brown look up, and then we check by the pot. Just tune in and watch what I want to see.